Hello, my name is Jonathan Schrupp. I am a chemistry teacher at Rogers High School, and I am going to be the long-term sub for this course for Ms. Rosenau, who will be out till the end of the semester. So she will be back for second semester, for those of you in this course second semester. I will be here until the end of first semester, and so I will be taking over for her. She has already made some content in terms of screencasts and things, so you may see her in some videos. You may see me. You might also see some of my other colleagues, Mrs. Erdahl or Mrs. Bynum, who have made screencasts on some of this content previously. I may borrow some of that material as well. So just a heads up on who you might be seeing. I will be available. I have updated the Google Meet form. I am teaching full-time at the regular high school, so during school hours I'm less available, but it's 7:05 a.m. 8:30 is my prep period on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Otherwise, after school, 2:30 or 3 o'clock, I have some times available when you could come find me. And so I have updated that Google Meet request to see that. And so if you want to meet, then fill that out, and I would be happy to meet with you and help you out. I'd be happy to answer any emails that you have to the best of my ability, and I will be doing my best to help you with any content as we go. I'm sure that you can continue to do a really good job, and I will do my best to pick up where Ms. Olson, sorry, Ms. Olson left off for you. So I hope you have a great day. Please email me with any questions. My email is jonathan.schrupp@isd728.org, and I would be happy to help you out. Have a good day.